Hello everyone, with the CMAT exam coming closer, we have been solving the CMAT के सारे questions topic wise topic. So तुम्हें पता चलेगा exactly कोई भी topic का revision करना है तो कैसे revision करना है, कौन से level के questions आते हैं, and you can exactly be sure that are you thorough with those questions or are you not. Let's start with this, and this time the topic that we are picking up is profit and loss. Profit and loss is exactly a derivative of averages and percentage and ratio. ये तीन अगर तुमने बराबर से किया है तो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस बहुत अच्छे से आएगा. एंड अगर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अच्छे से आएगा तो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में भी काफी फायदा हो जाएगा. सो पे क्लोज अटेंशन टू व्हाट वी आर डूइंग टुडे. लेट्स गो. बाय सेलिंग मैंगोज एट द रेट ऑफ 64 फॉर 2000, द वेंडर लूजेस 40%. हाउ मेनी शुड ही सेल फॉर 1000 सो एज टू गेन 20%. सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूंगा, उसने 2000 में 64 मैंगोज बेचे, सो दैट मीन्स उसने 1000 रुपीज में कितने बेचे? 32. So I will calculate the cost price of selling price of one mango. So one mango का selling price will be 1000 divided by 32. 8 से करेंगे 125, 8 से करेंगे 4. I will get 31.25. 31.25 is the SP of one mango. So I will erase this and write it. SP is equal to 31.25. But this is a loss of 40%. So original cost price will become into 10 by 6 because this is 60% of the cost price, right? अब मुझे ये निकालना है कि what will be the price at which I sell so I gain 20%. तो मुझे निकालना है कॉस्ट प्राइस का 20% एक्स्ट्रा वाला प्राइस. सो 12 by 10, राइट? इस 20% एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाए. I'll cancel this. ये मुझे मिल जाएगा 2 giving you 62.5. 62.5 is the selling price at which I will gain 20%. अब मुझे लिखना है कितने मैंगोज बेचने पड़ेंगे. I will then 1000 divided by 62.5. देखते हैं. 625, 25, 25 into 125, 12.5, 25 into 40 and 25 into, sorry, 5 into 125, 5 into 200, 12.5. And यहाँ पे ऐसे हमें 8 into 2, 16. 16 will be the answer. 16 is the answer that we get for this question. प्योर कैलकुलेशन क्वेश्चन, नथिंग एल्स. इसमें समझना भी कुछ नहीं था. इसमें सिर्फ अगर तुम्हें कैलकुलेशन अच्छे से आता है तो तुम सॉल्व कर सकते हो. लेट्स गो ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द शॉपकीपर मार्क्स हिज बुक्स एट 25% अबव द कॉस्ट प्राइस. मतलब सीपी इज 100, एमपी इज 125. Due to slump in the market, his cost reduces by 5%. So new CP is 95. And then to boost his sales, he offered a discount of 8%. इस पे 8% कम करना है. 8% will be 8 by 100 into 125. So that is 92 by 100. इसका MP हमें मिलेगा 92 by 100 into 125. 92 by 100 into 125. So 92 into 5 by 4, 23, 115. 115 is the new selling mark price. Okay. इसके बाद क्या? एंड तो अपना प्रॉफिट कितना हो गया? नाउ द प्रॉफिट इज 20 रुपीज. पहले कितना प्रॉफिट था? 25 रुपीज. बट अब क्या होता है, बिकॉज डिस्काउंट दिया तो उसकी सेल्स ऊपर चली जाती है 25% से. तो ये 20 रुपीज जो मैं पर प्रोडक्ट कमा रहा था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा सेल्स आई विल एंड अप अर्निंग इसका 25% एक्स्ट्रा. सो इंटू 5 by 4 गिविंग मी 25 रुपीज. तो वापस पहले सिनेरियो में भी मेरा 25 रुपीज प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, दूसरे सिनेरियो में भी 25% प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. सो माई देर इज नो चेंज इन माई शॉपकीपर्स प्रॉफिट. कंप्यूट द चेंज इन शॉपकीपर्स प्रॉफिट. कोई चेंज नहीं है कि पहले भी 25 रुपए कमा रहा था, अभी भी 25 रुपए कमा रहा हूँ. बिकॉज सेल्स बढ़ गई, इसलिए मेरा ये फर्क पड़ा. दैट में 20 से 25 आ गए. आई होप यू गाइस अंडरस्टूड. अ लिटिल कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन. वेल 20 में अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा था अपेरेंटली. चलो. Two successive discounts of 8% and 12% are equal to a single discount of. So assuming that the price previously was 100 and now first we gave a 9 discount of 8%, making us calculate 92 by 100, and then I again give a discount of 12%, giving me 88 by 100. So now the price will actually be 92 into 88 divided by 100. So 88, 6, 1, 11, 82, 92, 88. Yes, that's right. So 11, 88, 89, 8, 72, 80, 0, 8, 80 यहीं पे लिख देंगे 80.96. That is the new selling price. Previously, my price was 100. I'm giving a discount of 19.04. That is my discount. Okay. The successive percentage is a very nice topic, very important topic, and a very easy topic. A shopkeeper claims to sell rice at a cost price. He uses a false weight with the intention of selling rice at 25% profit. So that means he says that I'm giving 100, but he actually gives only 80 kg. After selling rice to a customer, he realizes that the customer has paid 10% less than how much he should have paid. Customer should have paid for 100, but customer actually paid 90. But the shopkeeper anyway gave 80 rupees का माल, उसके ऊपर तो इसने माल दिया ही नहीं. What is the actual profit percentage made by the shopkeeper? The shopkeeper made a profit of 10 by 80, that is 12.5%. That is your answer. Answer option C. A very fun exam to take CMAT. Also CUET for that matter was a very fun exam to take. If the cost price of 80% of the selling is 80% of the selling price, then what is the profit in percentage? Cost price is 80, selling price is 100, profit percentage is 25%. Very easy. The difference between the cost price and sales price of an article is rupees 240. If the profit is 20%, then the selling price is this much. If the selling price is this much and the profit is 20%, it can only happen if this cost price is 1200. 1200 से 1440 में कितना difference है? 240 का. So first one is right. If the cost price of 10 DVDs is equal to the selling price of 7 DVDs, then the gain percentage is. So this means, how do I always try to explain this? I try to explain this in a barter system method. That I purchase 10, I sell only 7. That means for every 7 that I sell, my profit is 3 DVDs. So my profit here will be 3 by 7. That is 42.85% or 42.6 by 7. So both of these are absolutely right. दोनों statement सही है. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. A very easy. अगर concept सही है, concept आता है तो फिर ये बहुत ज़्यादा आसान हो जाएगा. Let's go. Next question. We have NCMAT 2023. Nice. A and B start a business with investment of 4,500 and 2,700. तो उनका investment का ratio is 5:3. 9 into 5, 9 into 3. Find a share of profit of A in a total annual profit of 256. So A का share in profit will be his share divided by the total investment into 256. So that is into 32. 32 into 5 giving you 160. So A will get 160 rupees out of the lot. I hope you guys understood. This is a question which also will be in the percentages ka video. If the selling price of 320 web cameras is equal to cost price of 400 web cameras. So that is, let's assume that इनका ratio ही ले लेते हैं. The ratio of this is 4:5. तो 4 का SP is equal to 5 का CP. So I will get SP by CP is equal to 5 by 4. So my overall profit is 1 by 4, which is 25% profit. The percentage profit is 25%. That is my answer. I hope you guys understood. That is it. So guys, these were all the questions from profit and loss that we saw in the CMAT exam from 2018 to 2023. I hope you guys like the video, and whatever topics you want extra, कौन से topics में doubt है, कौन से topics में questions है, post them in the comments and I'll make sure to post those videos. Bye everyone.